I'm Jennifer and I'm so glad you're here because today I'm going to be decorating and refreshing the courtyard of my home. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. I want to fix up the front entrance of my house for spring. This is the courtyard where all of my guests come to visit. This is where we love to sit out in the early mornings before it gets too warm, and I love to have a bright, cheerful space. I have already washed down the front of my house and swept and cleaned and mopped my front courtyard, so it's really nice and clean. But I still need to get the front door cleaned. I always put a wood polish on it every spring. And now that my front door is all clean, I'm going to hang this beautiful wreath with yellow flowers. Nothing says welcome like this new doormat that I purchased online. These yellow flowers will tie in perfectly. I always find lanterns to be welcoming. They're really nice, especially in the evening when I have friends over for dinner. This large rabbit is perfect for spring and the upcoming Easter season. Yellow tulips will be the perfect addition to tie in and coordinate with my yellow theme. I purchased these heavy-duty metal chairs at Lowe's a couple of years ago. However, I painted them black to tie in with the accents around my courtyard, the black lamps and the black metal gate. The courtyard gets very, very hot in the summer. It's usually well over 100 degrees, so I spray painted these chairs with a black spray paint that's made for barbecue grills. In keeping with my yellow theme, I'll be adding these beautiful bright yellow pillows. I always love adding a large flower pot to this table with real flowers. However, it's too early in the season for real flowers, so for now I'll just add these two little decorative pots with artificial daisies. I have two of these large planters, and for now, since it's so early in the season, I'm just going to add some artificial greenery to add some color and to fill these pots in. The flower pot on the right has a large spotlight that comes on every evening at dusk and turns off automatically in the morning with a sensor. It is so wonderful to have the entire doorway lit up all evening and throughout the night and early morning. I am so happy that I was able to easily refresh my front courtyard. With a really good cleaning and a few decorative accents and bright shades of yellow, it made a tremendous difference. I'm so glad you are here. I appreciate it so much, and I would be really happy if you click the like button and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. I have many more spring and summer videos coming up.